Hey, good afternoon. It's Craig with TQ Financial Services, and I wanted to try to give you guys a economic stimulus package update, whatever they're calling it now. A lot of people are trying to blow us up about these stimulus checks. Everybody's in dire needs. I guess everybody's broke. That would make sense since the majority of us has less than $500 in our bank accounts. But we're going to try to give you guys as much as we can in this video. I know we did a post earlier today with all types of information directly from irs.gov backslash coronavirus. If you guys have or want more details or more than what I give today, please visit that website and you can get a lot of information from there. So let's get right to it. One, you guys know they're doing a relief package for people. The amounts are $1,200 for individuals, $2,400 for married couples, and from what we last heard, they're supposed to start doing this as of, I think it was like 2 days ago. They're starting to release it within 3 weeks. Other sites and other things we've read said their first distribution would be coming or starting. They're hoping April 6th. I don't see that happening because everything else says 3 weeks from the end of March. So again, that should be coming to you guys. Are there income limits? Yes, they are. $75,000 for individuals. This is AGI, adjusted gross income. So after we take away all the stuff, if you have losses and this and that, then whatever that final number is on that 1040, it says AGI. It does say adjusted gross income. For those filling out FAFSA, you're definitely used to seeing that. It's $75,000 for single individuals, head of household, etc. If you want to count that, if you're not married filing jointly, $150 for married filing jointly. The income thresholds are at $99,000 for those people who are single. Again, you want to put that category there, and it's $198,000 for those who are married filing jointly. The threshold means you're not getting any money. Everybody else is going to get money, right? It starts to dwindle. $5 per X, Y, and Z. I'm not even going to try to go through that calculation. You guys better read. Either way, you're going to get money, as long as you stay below those thresholds that we talked about, the 99 and the 198. And it's $500 per child, qualifying child, we should say that. So if you're a single person, let's put it in perspective, and you're maxed out at $1,200 and you have 3 kids, you get another $1,500. This money runs all the way through. Sorry, we're hearing somebody on their scooter driving by. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. I need one of those. Anyway, it's $1,200 per person. The money goes all the way through 2020, and we'll pause. We'll probably revisit that. What else do you need to know? How do I get it if I didn't file any taxes, or what do I do? Because that's one of the biggest things. Everybody's like, oh, I need to file taxes. I haven't filed it. Yes, they're looking at your 2019 returns. So if you haven't filed them, you need to file them. Did you do 2018? Then you're covered. That's how they're figuring out where to send the checks or to do direct deposits. We know a lot of you have changed banks. That happens all the time, so I think it's really stupid for them to do that, but whatever. They said that what they're going to do now is open up a site or a link on that irs.gov backslash coronavirus site that gives you a web-based portal to be able to file and I should say update your bank information, etc. So that way the right information can be there and you can get the money faster. That hasn't happened yet. If you checked it already, you can notice it's just going to say keep checking daily. So don't call us for that because we don't know. We're going to check just like you guys. What if you are whatever, you're not usually having to file, if you're a person that is just Social Security or maybe a veteran or disabled, etc., you still can qualify. You still can get money. That will also be there. You would have to do what's called a simple tax return, which is a 1040 EZ. So basically your name, address, bank information. If you have zero income, and you're filing that, so that way that will be on record and you'll be able to be taken care of that way. Again, you still have a lot of things to do. If you have not filed, yes, you need to file. If you're an individual, that is required to file. Those are things that you can't get away from. For those who are concerned about going to the office, etc., of course, I'm doing the video, so I'm going to say us. We have the mobile app. We have emails. You guys, please, it's easy. You just got to search TQ Financial Services on pretty much anything, and we'll come up, and you can always get those filings going. Again, this is for, I'm trying to think if there's anything I'm forgetting. So you can't, if you're not normally, the other thing I wanted to make sure, what if your stuff gets garnished because you guys owe child support or student loans, whatever? None of that affects the stimulus check. So yippee, even if you owed that money, you'd still be able to qualify to get the checks. Again, you just got to keep checking back on that site for updates. Sorry, here comes the bike again. makes these videos interesting. Oh, it's another person on a bike, so I guess I need to figure out how to get a bike. But again, if you're worried about your money being garnished or taken like it has been for previous tax returns, this does not affect it. The thing we don't know, which keeps getting convoluted, is will you guys have to pay this money back, or will we have to pay because we're going to get it too, right? I don't know. We don't know. We're going to see how that works out. But again, if you do, it's probably going to come back from your come out of your refund. Again, like we talked about in the beginning, it's going to go until the end of 2020. I repeat, it's going to go on to the end of 2020. So if you guys are worried about going into offices or saying I don't want to touch someone, or I don't want to be around, I want to breathe, I don't want to whatever, you guys still have time. But if you're in the emergency section, meaning you're, oh my God, I need my money tomorrow, I'm going to die, then obviously you need to check on that site. Or if you are required to file because you earn income, then you need to contact us and we'll be happy to try to help you out. Any other information or any other questions, of course, give us a call, 800-413-1456. You can email us at info@tqfinancials.com. That's all spelled correctly, of course. Follow us on all our social media platforms for more information and any updates. Have a good one.